How to create this amazing animation in Capcut PC. First, import all your assets. If you don't have these, look into our Discord server. Link is in my channel. Then move this grid background into your timeline, change ration to horizontal, and adjust its size. Add hand animation and rotate it. Go into cutout and remove blue screen. Now we have something like this. Adjust its length and go into end animations and choose slide up animation. Add money and remove green screen. Scale it down a little bit and move down. Create keyframe of position and opacity at the end of your animation. Move into beginning when hands start opening and move money up and reduce opacity down to 0. Open keyframe graph and go into Y-axis because the animation move on Y-axis. Highlight end keyframe and choose this graph. Then go to end transition and apply slide right animation. Now add box to your timeline and remove green screen and cutout. Make it smaller and move down. Create keyframe and move playhead few frames. Right then create another keyframe and move box in to place where you want it to end. If you want to, you can make it faster by moving the second keyframe near the first one. Now duplicate box and move it. 4 frames work best for me. Change x-axis to -1200 on both keyframes. It will move the box into the left and repeat. But for third box, make x-axis +1200. Now to make our animation more cinematic, open graph animation. Choose Y-axis, highlight last keyframe and use this graph. Repeat it with all box animations. To add more depth to our video, use gradient, scale it, and make sure to change the blend mode to screen in order to make gradient work perfectly. If you want to make your animation more engaging, you can add this effect to each box. It will make it shake. But don't use big numbers, go around 2 to 7. Now you can add sound effects, which you will find also in our Discord. And here is the complete animation.